Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if 6x minus 4 is 11 less than 25, what is the value of 9x? So what we have to do is we have to turn this sentence into an equation and then use it to find the value of 9x. So reading through here, if 6x minus 4 is, that means equals to, 11 less than 25. So 25 minus 11. 11 less than 25, 25 minus 11. We now have an equation where we can solve for x. So 6x minus 4 is equal to 25 minus 11 is 14, which is good because 14 is 11 less than 25. Adding 4 to both sides, these cancel, and we have 6x is equal to 14 plus 4 is 18, dividing by 6. Left with x is equal to 18 divided by 6, which is 3. So this is the value of x is 3. We're asked to find the value of 9x. So 9x is equal to 9 times our value of x, which is 3. 9 times 3 is 27. So 27, or D, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.